as well. All three are running in that direction. The first one's right behind this rock, and if I'm not wrong, the other two are near the seats over here. Whoops, I was wrong. The last one is right over here. Yes, their locations do differ, so keep that in mind. I'm going to click on the U-goat again, and as you can see, it's running away from me now, so now I have to chase it and click on it again. So I managed to catch the U-goat. I'm just going to click on it again, and then it'll, disappear. So I'm going to go back to the portal and see where the next light thingy is going to go. It's going towards that area again, and I think I know the location of this next U-goat, and yeah. So I'm just very quickly going to go there, obviously. And here it is right by the thorn rocks. So let's click on it again, collect the mini Yule goats, and get back to the big one. So here we have the third one, I think it is, completed as well. We're going to go back to the portal and see where the next light is cast towards. Honestly, I think these quests are so much fun. I really love doing them. They are a lot of fun. I actually didn't think I would love it this much, but it's actually kind of nice. So I also wanted to ask you guys in this video what you're thinking of this new search quest so far, because I'm really enjoying it, but I'm wondering, how do you feel about this new search quest? I'm just going to call it a search quest because I think that's the most logical thing to call it. I always love reading about what you guys think of an update, and for some reason, it's just really interesting to me. So go ahead and leave a comment down below. Oh, by the way, if you run through this border that's basically marking the area where the mini Yule goats are located, then the whole quest thing will just completely quit. You would have to go back to the goat if you would like to restart the whole search quest. So keep that in mind as well. Just doing these quests and having a reason to do them was not the only reason why I wanted to do this video. I also very quickly wanted to talk to you guys about my school life and basically my life in general. I am currently having exams, and I can tell you one thing, I'm not enjoying it. It's going really well though. I'm really happy about that. So yeah, my exams are going well, and I finish on Monday, so that's great. I'm actually kind of scared for my Latin exam because I just don't know how that went. Kind of scared, to be honest. It's always so hard to determine whether your Latin exam went well or not. I mean, it's just so hard to determine every single year, every single time we have an exam. I mean, I did study quite well. I think it was 8 hours I did, so I really hope I passed. My general grade was pretty good, so I'm not that scared, but at the same time, you never know, and I don't want to fail my Latin. I also said that Fort Pinsat is like my least favorite area when it comes to the Yule goats, and I'll explain that right now. I specifically find this one hard because you have like the whole Doyle's Abbey area to search in for the Yule goats, and if you miss the light bulb, then you're probably not going to be able to find the big Yule goat, which, oh god, that isn't smart to do, which is not very nice. By the way, I've also had it happen that these mini Yule goats run away when you stand near them for too long or run too fast towards them, so I don't really know which of the two is the reason why they run away, but they do run away sometimes, so pay attention to that too. The mini Yule goats are always, no, don't run through there. Even though it's way easier to go through there, don't run. Just a quick tip, because sometimes, yes, it's easier to take that route, but it's not always the smartest thing to do, so, don't do that. Anyway, I was talking about like the most frequent places of where the mini Yule goats run to, and usually that's literally at the border of the area that you have to search in. So I mean, that's one tip I can give you. Just search around the borders, and usually you'll find one or two near the border. Right now, I have 47 Yule goat spirits, which means I almost can buy the dog. 2 more Yule goats, and I'll be able to buy the dog. Let's see where the next Yule goat is going to be. It is most likely going to be it's going to be at Fort Pinsat Beach again. Or actually, no, it's going to be down here. I haven't had a Yule goat be down here just yet, which is quite exciting because this is a new location and I kind of like that. So let's get into this next one, which I believe is the 7th Yule goat for today. The fact that this Yule goat is in this area right now and I haven't had it be here just yet is quite exciting to me because They very often appear in the same locations over and over again, so it's in a new location, which is great. Anyway, I was also going to talk about me and horse riding and a lot of other stuff. So let's start with horse riding. Dario, which in case you didn't know is my lease horse, here's a picture of him, is actually doing his flying changes. He's actually doing it, which basically means that me training him is paying off, which I'm so happy about. I think it was last Tuesday that he literally changed from right lead to left lead, which he hates left lead, without even having to ask. So I'm kind of glad that he's learning which lead to use, which is really great. I'm really happy about that. So that was kind of like my little update on horse riding. It's going really well and I'm really happy about that. Anyways, I just noticed I have 50 Yule Goat spirits now, so I can get the dog, but I'm very quickly off camera going to do some other Yule Goats so I can get a sweater as well and show you what kind of rewards you can get and also show you something I'm quite upset about. So I'm quickly going to do 8 Yule Goats off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I might have gone a little bit too far because I actually have 67 Yule Goat spirits now, which means I can get one of these sweaters as well as the dog. So first off, let's get the dog. Aw, look at him. That is so adorable. And I only had to do all of the portals yesterday and 2 of today. So it really doesn't take that long to get this dog, which I'm really happy about because I feel like this is kind of giving back from Star Stable. I like this a lot. I'm going to go into photo mode so I can zoom in on the dog a little bit.